So today we got this really nice pipe cutter for plumbing that we got. So we have, it comes with two different sizes actually. Comes for a small one and for your bigger pipes for inch over an inch. And the other nice thing it comes with, after you cut it, you can clean with the thread. It has a blade, so be careful with it. And for the small pipe, it has this little thing where you can just
shave it off.
So this is an adjustable. You spin it around and the blade goes off for whatever thickness you want to. You keep spinning and spinning, it closes. And now you go back and it starts going down. So today we're gonna show you, this is to clean the outer and this is for the inner side of the pipe. So you keep spinning it. Every time you spin it, you tighten it a little bit, and that's how this cutter cuts. You spin it a little bit. Tighten a little bit more. That's it. Simple as that. And then so now with this, for the other side, I shave it a little bit. So this was perfectly clean, but we still want to just make sure. So for the inner, there we go, ready to use it. So now we're gonna clean the inside of this, as you see. This is a nice thing, it spins around. That's it.
A very essential, good tool to use. It cuts PVC piping, copper, and some metals, aluminum. I was talking about not the heavy duty, but this is great. Tighten, fasten it. All the tools are included. Hope you guys enjoy the video.